Prior to this year's edition of the National Unity Day celebrations, the Divisional Officer for Tubah Subdivision has on Wednesday, May 8, 2024, presided over a unity football game played between bike riders under the Association of Caps United Riders and some selected youths based in Tubah Subdivision, known as Shabba FC, mostly their passengers. Before the game, the riders paraded the streets of Bambui and Bambili accompanied by the divisional officer who, since his appointment to head Tubah subdivision, has completely transformed the bike sector within the subdivision. The thrilling encounter first saw the bike riders' opening score at the first half of the game. After the break, Shabba FC leveled score and added the second, with more pressure on the bike riders from their fans who massively turned out to cheer them. They will equalize, bringing the game to 2-all tie. In post-match penalty, Shabba FC overpowered Caps United Riders by 5-4. All this to the satisfaction of the representative of state in Tubah subdivision.
These bike riders are yielding positively to the call of the Minister of Territorial Administration and the top officials of the Northwest region, who requested bike riders to be more organized and be much more law-abiding.
According to the divisional officer, such initiative from the bikers should be encouraged.
This is a beginning. The bike riders got this initiative, invited us, the powers that be, supported them the way they should. We pray that this spirit should go round and let all other fields of work portray this unifying spirit, which comes in line with the upcoming 20th May Unity Day. We are proud of them. We want to encourage them not to relent. Government is behind them. Tubah subdivision is behind them.
Given that football is a unifying factor, the president of the Association of Bike Riders believes that through gatherings like these, they will be able to build peace within their sector and beyond.
Through football, discover that might be through the peace will come among the youth, mostly the riders. So I'm very satisfied. I'm also glad that the unity and the initiative should continue. I only beg them that we should take our passengers safely to their destination and make sure touch one, it touch all.
After handing over prizes made up of hairmaids, raincoats, and cash, the divisional officer announced that the Member of Parliament for Bafut Tubah constituency, Honorable Ago Oliver, alongside other elites of the subdivision, the senior divisional officer for Mizam, and the governor of the Northwest region have promised to organize a greater football competition in order to strengthen the unity that exists amongst all the bike riders and the entire population of Tubah subdivision.